people of Rivers State, I greet you now. We did have it. Let's shake it, no moving. Not anyway shake now, leave them colors. They go fall. All of you there know say it's not in my character to be late to any function. I like to come early, but this is a period of and because we don't know who is going, we must send people in advance before we carry like enter a big camp. And me, I know they swallow my word. When I talk, I don't talk. So I get to shock before I bring myself come here, before I enter next. More than no verse, I make a late. Okay. So I'm going to say this and it's going to be 1 minute exact. One at a time. When I read the letter that was sent to me, it said the alternative. Me, I know they like alternative. I do like answer. Because alternative means I fit try another, don't tire. On a fit never tire, but me, Hilda Dokubo, I don't tire. Things need to work. Today I learned a new definition for friendship. Friendship means being able to tell your friend, shut the up before you put all of us in trouble. So only your friend can tell you in my Calabari language that hey friend, no payment secret. Meaning your mouth they smell. Go wash am. Make you not take smell, kill the people who are not too like you. Because your friend fit endure am, but your not so friend fit to the day say, Your Excellency is sweet, you are making me sweet. But what do you mean to tell you? Say that's your mouth be like toilet. So, my dearest Rivers people, Rivers State is in our hands. It is what we choose. You see, I don't tire for this Nigeria talk. Make I focus for my papa's house. Because every second, every minute, somebody will tell me, say, you are not looking at what is happening in your state. Now I am interested, not just in my state, in my local government, in my village, in my papa's state. Correct. I'm focusing. And then, let nobody distract us. If Nigeria don't thief, the words when the River State, when Nigeria don't carry, it's too plenty. Yes, so when we as Rivers people here, we fed this nation with oil. We fed this nation with agriculture and aquaculture. We're stepping into what they call the blue economy, and it's rooted here again in this my beloved state. So as we begin to chart the course of feeding this country, we must first benefit. Sure. We must first So for me, my focus right now is in Rivers State and the Niger Delta of Nigeria. Thank you. We will get to Nigeria when Nigeria is ready. But for now, Rivers State, are we ready? Yeah. Are